For a look at investing strategies, we have Craig Bolanos, a co-founder of VestGen, as well as a wealth advisor here with common sense on convertible bonds. First off, Craig, explain how investors can get into a stock and a bond at the very same time.
Well, a convertible bond is a fantastic instrument because it can give you equity-like upside with the resilience that people come to expect and demand in fixed income, the bond market. And why does that happen? You're getting paid a coupon. That's great because you're getting current income today. That current income today helps lower your volatility. And then that convertible feature, meaning a conversion into the equity sleeve of a company that you've lent money to, can give you upside if that company executes on its business and really drives growth. So convertibles, again, the resilience of fixed income with an equity-like component.
What are some suggestions on how to go about picking out a convertible bond?
Well, I think what you have to remember is you don't necessarily need to be a convertible picker. You could decide to literally just own the space by participating in a convertible bond fund, convertible bond separately managed account, or you could buy the individual notes. But the bottom line is, what's someone trying to accomplish? And if you're trying to have a durable, sustainable portfolio, you're going to do convertibles in the spaces that probably have the most promise today. And think about everything that's involved in infrastructure, AKA the infrastructure of artificial intelligence. So that's going to lead you to a majority of your investments being in the form of technology and industrial companies who are supporting everything from energy to data transmission to ultimately AI itself.
Are there any downsides to investing in convertible bonds?
Well, I think the caveats are simple. Anytime you take an equity-like component and you marry it with the resilience of fixed income, it's not going to be a stock. It's not going to be a bond. It's a hybrid security. So, Angela, just as you and I have talked about how people can use preferred stock to enhance their income, I think convertibles are a great way for people to go ahead and participate in equity upside, but limit their downside risk. There are some people that think the market has moved ahead of fundamentals. There are people who believe that higher days of VIX, higher days of volatility are going to be ahead. And with some $53 billion of issuance of convertibles just in the first portion of this year, I think it's a very exciting space that investors should be taking a look and decide for themselves whether or not they want to participate. If you want to learn more about convertibles and other hybrid securities, I encourage you to do so. Connect with us online at getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.